Want to lose belly fat fast? Stop doing endless crunches because that's not how it works. Belly fat isn't just about looks, it's about health. Too much belly fat raises your risk of heart disease, diabetes, and low energy. But here's the good news. You can lose it, and faster than you think. Tip 1. Nutrition first. Rule number 1. Belly fat loss starts in the kitchen. Science shows you cannot out-train a bad diet. Cut out liquid calories first. Soda, energy drinks, and fancy coffee drinks. They spike your blood sugar, and that extra sugar goes straight to your waistline. Instead, stick to water, black coffee, or green tea. Tip 2. Protein and balance. Next, boost your protein. Why? Because protein keeps you full while speeding up your metabolism. Studies show eating high-protein meals helps burn an extra 80-100 calories per day. So load your plate with chicken, fish, eggs, or plant-based protein. And remember, it's not about starving yourself. It's about choosing foods that keep you satisfied while keeping your calories under control. Tip 3. Exercise the smart way. Let's talk workouts. Forget doing 200 sit-ups a day. They won't melt belly fat. What works? Full body moves that burn the most calories. Think squats, deadlifts, push-ups, and burpees. And the best fat-burning style? High-intensity interval training. Short bursts of effort, like sprinting or cycling hard for 20 seconds. Then resting. Research proves HIIT burns more belly fat compared to steady cardio. Tip 4. Sleep and stress. Here's a secret most people ignore. Sleep and stress are belly fat killers. When you sleep less than 6 hours, your body cranks out more cortisol, the stress hormone, and cortisol tells your body, store more fat around your belly, so aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep every night, and manage stress with breathing, walks, or even just unplugging from your phone. Finally, let's remember this. You didn't gain belly fat overnight, and you won't lose it overnight. But if you stay consistent, eating clean, moving daily, and sleeping well, you'll see results faster than you think. So, are you ready to finally burn that stubborn belly fat? Start today. Cut the junk, eat more protein, train smart, sleep better, and your ABS will thank you. This is Fitbot Nation, bringing you the science-backed fitness hacks you need. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more, and let's crush those fitness goals together.